Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about the form attributes in HTML input. This chapter describes the different form attributes for the HTML input element. So that is, in our HTML input element, we can also use form attribute. Just imagine you want to do something. Let's get back to our document. We are having this, let's say for instance now we are having this code right here. So let's break a page. Times 2. We break a page, right? Times them times 2. So when we break a page, we give an input. Let's just give an input immediately. Then also inside our input right here, we are able to have form attributes. Just imagine what we can do with that. That's what we will be discussing about in our next tutorial. Please stay tuned. This is just an introduction. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next tutorial. Bye bye.